Let her rip. Off and running, ladies and gentlemen. Listen how quiet it is. Woo. Got a beautiful day going on, guys. I think it's in the 70s right now. No, we're not. Last time we were driving, guys, the muffler was actually hitting the ground. See my hair moving around, guys? Say hi, Zane. Of course, we can do hand signals when we turn, right?
I'll get that all sorted out next time.
Woohoo! I should have adjusted the outside mirror too.
Yeah.
I noticed that yesterday. Super quiet, even with the hood or with the top down, guys. Nice short throw here. I don't like that sports car. Oh, the horn. Oh, you're kidding me? I was joking. The horn actually works, guys. Look out. Woo-hoo! Oh, man. She's running. So this is the second ride we're taking, guys. The first ride was without a muffler, so just straight header. And now the sound is so much quieter. I think, you know, definitely quiet. Where's temperature gauge? Right there. Water, oil.
Speedometer, the tag don't work, but I think I can get it to work.
So he's not going to do this right now, but he had this thing up to 70 miles an hour. Like I said, he's not going to do that right now. Thanks, Zane. Wow. Are you a fourth gear? Oh, really? Is that real? 70?
What's that? I mean, really not, but I can get a GPS out.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like 70.
It said 70. It didn't feel like 70.
Kilometers, maybe.
Oh, kilometers. It says mph, so. 1965, early 1965, as you can see from the door. Not you. I'm talking these guys.
But I can't either.
No.
They told me.
But the nice thing is, from right here, you can actually see if the brake lights are working, and they're not. But you turn your head around, and there it is. It's a beautiful day for a motor car race. We're getting heat coming out of here, but I got a cover for that, guys.
Is that part of the brake?
What's that?
Is that the brake?
That's a brake, yeah.
We'll try it when we get to the house.
Okay. Got your blinkers on?
Actually, I'll let this guy turn. That way we don't
Good point.
have something.
Yeah. There's my raccoon. Smooth ride, guys. It feels very comfortable. Water temperature is where it's got to be, so is the oil pressure. I don't remember hooking up the speedometer.
We never disconnected it. That's just draining.
May 2025. I don't know if I told you that already. And it feels like about 70 degrees outside. Really nice out. Sun shining. I don't see any chemtrails today. I saw chemtrails earlier this morning. That's your conspiracy theory report for today. No chemtrails. Brakes are working good. There is no power brakes and there is no power steering, so we made it. I mowed the grass, guys. How about that? I gotta finish today.
The exhaust never touched once.
The exhaust is right on. Exhaust never touched once. And we are home. Voila! Voila, and there's a walleye. Walla walleye. Nice, Zane.
Very nice.
Say see ya.
See ya.
See ya!
Gotta get your door handle back on over here.
Oh yeah. Only